Imagine Earth as a young, angry planet. Fire raining from the sky, oceans boiling, and yet somehow that chaos gave birth to you. Yep, you. Today we uncover the jaw-dropping story of how life began on Earth and how it nearly didn't. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was born from dust and stardust, swirling around the newborn sun. But soon after, a Mars-sized object slammed into Earth.
The impact sent fiery debris into orbit, forming our moon. But it did more than that. It gave Earth a spinning core and a magnetic field, one that protects us from deadly solar winds even today. Without that crash, Earth might have stayed just a lifeless rock. As the planet cooled, rains poured for millions of years, forming oceans. In those waters, methane, ammonia, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide swirling together in a chemical soup. Then came the lightning. Boom! Bolts of energy struck the ocean again and again. In 1953, scientists recreated this in a lab, shocking the same gas mix with electricity. And what formed? Amino acids, the basic building blocks of life. Nature's first recipe? Water, gas, lightning, and a little spark. Those amino acids bonded into proteins. Then came fatty bubbles, primitive membranes. Eventually, some molecules figured out how to copy themselves. Life had officially begun. The first living things were tiny microbes deep in the ocean near volcanic vents. They didn't need sunlight, just heat and minerals. They were Earth's first survivors, and everything that's alive today traces back to them. Then a tiny microbe changed the world, cyanobacteria. It learned to use sunlight to make food, and it released a waste gas, oxygen. For most life at the time, oxygen was poison. Earth's first mass extinction began, but oxygen also gave rise to new, complex life. The stage was set for evolution to begin writing its story. Fast forward billions of years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Until
a meteor the size of a mountain hit the planet with the force of 10 billion nuclear bombs. 75% of all life vanished, but mammals, tiny and clever, survived. That meteor didn't just end the dinosaur age, it cleared the path for us. So from fire and chaos came forests, oceans, birdsong, and your beating heart. Every atom in you once floated in space. Every cell you carry has a story older than time.
You're not just living on Earth, you're part of its epic history. If this journey sparked something in you, maybe it's a sign to keep going. The more we explore these stories together, the more we evolve.